Are you ready to create stunning art without spending a dime? Let's explore the top 5 free AI art generators that will elevate your creative game. First up is DALL-E Mini, an incredible tool that generates images from textual descriptions, allowing you to visualize your ideas quickly. Next, we have DeepArt, which transforms your photos into stunning artworks using styles from famous paintings. Just upload an image, choose a style, and let the magic happen. Third on our list is ArtBreeder, a unique platform where you can blend images together to create completely new artworks. With its user-friendly interface, you can customize and evolve images over time. Fourth is Crayon, formerly known as DALL-E Mini, which generates images based on your prompts instantly, offering creative visuals in seconds. Finally, we have Runway ML, which provides robust tools for image generation and editing, perfect for artists looking to enhance their projects. These AI art generators not only inspire creativity, but also empower anyone to produce beautiful artworks in just a few clicks. Dive in, explore these tools, and let your imagination run wild.